Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's class we're gonna paint these lovely crystals Amethyst in watercolor style, and I'm gonna show you a simple way how to do that. So let's paint step by step, and I already created some sketches for you there here. And we need, guys, note that we need to paint underneath our texture paper. And I'm gonna use my texture papers that I created and my watercolor brush set. I will send you the link, you might check it out. But guys, if you have your own watercolor brushes, feel free to use them. And I'm gonna use a Blue Colorful Opal for this class, for this tutorial. So let's get started. Dreamy Quartz as a color palette that I'm gonna use today. This color palette is available in my watercolor brush set. So let's get started. And guys, speaking about reference picture, I actually have one. So how can we get a reference picture? We're gonna need to press canvas, and after press reference, and after import and find a paper, find a reference picture in your gallery, and let's do it. Okay, as a blending tool, I'm using Textured Emerald Blender. So great, our next step is I'm gonna go and fill the area of another crystal, this one. I am on same layer, I don't want to go beyond the lines. I don't want to create one layer, so later we will start adding some shades. Like that. I will create new layer, but for now we don't need that. Cool, now let's create the last one. Like that. Okay, perfect. Okay, after that we're gonna go and grab selection tool and grab freehand, and I'm gonna go and select the top of our crystals, and after press feather around 17%, tap hue, saturation and brightness, lower the opacity, increase saturation, so like this. Okay, now I need to select this area and press feather 12%, hue, saturation and brightness, lower the brightness, increase saturation, like that. And one more time. I want feathers at this time, lower the brightness, increase saturation, be a little bit darker, like that. Okay, done with this part. Now guys, it's very important thing, we're gonna go and grab selection tool, also grab freehand, and I want to show tiny bit of some color variations. I'm gonna press add here, add feather 14%, hue, saturation and brightness. Curves, like that. Now let's move to the next tab, and we're gonna use selection tool, and we're gonna select some tiny bit of lights. Add. One feather set, lower the size, increase saturation. Keep it like that. Next is highlights. add. Also one feather set hue, saturation and brightness. Now I will increase its brightness and saturation. Ta-da! So guys, now I want to add tiny bit of details in the end. So as you see, I lowered the opacity of our sketching layers. They are here. I don't need our reference picture anymore. So I tap canvas and turn off our reference picture. So I will create one more layer on the top. And once again, I want to make it more colorful. So I will go to our previous layer and I will press curves. And now you might play around and think about colors. And now we need to grab Sharp Amethyst. And our next step is we need to show tiny bit of those lines. This way, once again, we need to lower the opacity. In some areas, we're gonna lower the opacity or just simply erase the lines. Ta-da! Now we can turn off our sketching layer and eventually we will have this lovely crystals amethyst. And once again, if you don't like something, you might just simply lower the opacity, make it less saturated, more saturated, it's all up to you. I like the way how it looks. It's pretty bright, pretty saturated, and I want to keep it like that. Keep it like that, and our crystals are ready. Guys, hope you enjoyed my today's tutorial and now you know better how to paint crystals. And I will be happy to see all your paintings. You might simply tag me on Instagram and I will be happy to give my own feedback. And if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!